Udkhot kekenhuan Menteri Rakkam Sangma, ulakan tu ya kekenhuan pet Masi, ban penduk no ika Jingthmu jangki ban ya Paidbah hanong ba Shillong, da ke Jingthmu ban khang ya ka Jingshoh do Masi. Usangma ulakan tho Pyrshah ikan kekenhuan, da ke baken no bakadei kekenhuan le no, bad ulakan no Pyrshah ru yaki bakim sngothu wat tang kendiat ru ya kariti sensyari jangkari India, bad ke Jing aper jangki culture hapo kani kari. Ulaong ba ke Jingbam do Masi, kadei shibenta na kariti dostur reulum, bad ulakam ru ba ke Jingthmu jangkani ke Ïaid Paidbah, kalong ban wanra ika Jing apat ya pra ha ke imlang salang. Usangma ulapen iru, ba kum kini ke Jingle kila ban wanra ya ke Jing ya shrut jat ben riu, bad kan penthut ru ya ka shong suk shong sain jangki jat ben riu ki ba shong basa ha kani ke jela.
There was a debate in Parliament brought by some MP. Our tall leader from the Northeast, the late Sangma, during that time has demanded, what is it? Killing a beef may hurt the sentiment of some religion or some community. But not killing the beef again, not killing the cow also, hurt the sentiments, our tribals, population or cyber community, the belief and the practice. Because the beef, eating of beef is a part and parcel of our tribal culture, our festival, right? So I think these people should read constitutions well. I think I would advise the people be trained well how to read what is said in the constitution. I think they are not fit to be Indians. Those guys who are doing all this drama, all this tamasa, they are not fit to be Indians.
Unong yalam kaseng NPP Rakkam Sangma.